This week, we'll be finding and evaluating classroom technology. We'll be focusing on WebQuests and other quality educational resources to find on the Internet. WebQuests are a wonderful Internet resource. They're usually tied to an authentic, real-world activity. This really engages students in their learning. Well-designed WebQuests have students working cooperatively to solve an authentic task. Students are given specific resources. They're asked to hypothesize what could happen and critically think about a real-world issue. A lot of WebQuests you'll find are cross-curricular oriented, using several subjects, and they promote higher-level thinking. The WebQuest structure is based on cognitive psychology and constructivism. It's easy for a teacher to scaffold tasks for students with diverse learning needs in the classroom. Before you begin your investigation on WebQuest, it's a good idea to have a history of the Internet. Here's a short video to talk to you about the Internet's history so that you can have a foundation from which to build your new knowledge. I have a PowerPoint presentation for you to build a foundation of knowledge on WebQuests called What are WebQuests? In your assignment for Part 1, you'll be using a rubric to evaluate 3 quality WebQuests that you find on the Internet. After investigating several WebQuests, you'll be using the rubric for evaluating WebQuests. Download this rubric by clicking on the rubric's title and open it up in your word processor. For each rubric, you'll be writing down the WebQuest name, and copying in the location of the WebQuest. It's very easy to search for quality WebQuests. Go to any search browser, type in your topic, and then the word WebQuest. Now keep in mind from the presentation that WebQuests follow a specific structure. Make sure that you are looking for that specific structure so that you know it is a WebQuest. WebQuests generally have an introduction, a world-oriented task, list specific resources for students to use, have a process that they follow, and some type of evaluation and conclusion. Once you find a quality WebQuest, click in the address bar, right-click and copy the address. On your evaluation form, paste the address in the location link with a right-click and a paste. You decide what grade level this would be appropriate for. You can use your highlighter tool to highlight those grades. Then under each criteria of the rubric, give it a score. For instance, visual appeal. There are few graphics or no graphics. The graphic elements sometimes, but not always, contribute to the understanding of concepts, or appropriate and thematic elements are used to make visual connections to help with the understanding. Write your points here in the score area. You can give points in between. Then go down to the next criteria area. Add up the total points and add some additional comments about your specific thoughts. In the module, I have some ideas on where to find other quality WebQuests. Also, some information to help you become a better Internet searcher. With the millions of resources out there, it's important to learn how to have good search skills. I have also provided some links for quality education websites. Please take some time to investigate these great resources. To hand in your WebQuest evaluation form, click on your assignment and attach it here in the assignment drop box.